When mounting motorcycle tyres, certain instructions and recommendations must be followed in order to avoid any risk of damage to the tyre. The fitter must first of all inspect the internal and external appearance of the tyre. He must then ensure compliance with the motorcycle and tyre manufacturer's specifications: construction, size, speed rating, and load index. All this information is given in specification guides. Mounting starts by removing the old valve and replacing it with a new one. It is important to change the valve each time a new tyre is mounted, to ensure that the tyre is totally airtight. First of all, the beads are lubricated. The first bead is mounted either manually or using a machine. Then, the second bead is positioned on the head of the machine. When mounting the second bead, it is essential to maintain the pressure on the sidewall opposite the tyre lever. This pushes the bead into the rim well in order to reduce any excessive stretching, which could lead to the tearing of the bead. It is essential that the tyre lever is correctly adjusted to prevent any damage to the tyre bead. Once the second bead has been mounted, the assembly is placed upright with the valve at 630 to help initial pressurization. For safety reasons, the fitter must stand in line with the tyre. Inflate without the inside of the valve fitted, up to 3.5 bar, so the beads are correctly seated on the rim and center the tyre. Replace the valve core. Adjust to the recommended pressure for the motorcycle being used, given in the Michelin motorcycle equipment catalogue. Tighten the valve cap to ensure the tyre is totally airtight. The tyre must then be balanced. Incorrect balancing can lead to vibrations occurring in the handlebar fork wheel assembly at speeds ranging from 55 to 80 miles per hour. The shock absorbers and bearings may be damaged by these vibrations. After entering the rim offset, width and diameter on the machine, the fitter balances the wheel by adding weights.
Michelin, a better way forward.